So they were together door dashing. She was in the bathroom, left the pen in the bathroom, wrote that out, and I got left in the restroom.
He won't let me go. I get my ass beat. I get slammed to the ground. My face is bent up. I have medical equipment in my head that he's bashed over and over again.
May 28th, 2025. Watch how one random letter led officers to another rescue mission. What they uncovered next shocked everyone.
Jason has the shield. Sarge, if you would knock and announce. Y'all stand back, angle of cover.
Sheriff's office, please come to the door.
Keep an eye on that window.
Keep banging on it. Wake them up.
Sheriff's office, open the door. Sheriff's office. You're going to the door.
Making 10-2-5 now at the door.
Sheriff's office. Let me see your hands. Come out here.
Hands, put your hands up.
Your hands. Step out. Sheriff's office.
Step out.
Let me see your hands. Sheriff's office. Search warrant. Step outside. Let me see your hands. Come on out.
Feed them to me.
Come on out. Come on out. Right on down the stairs.
Feed them to me.
Got a search warrant. Come on.
Search
Step
warrant.
outside, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hey, ma'am, how you doing? Step outside.
Put him in
Sheriff's office.
handcuffs.
Search warrant. Do you mind stepping outside, please?
What did I do? My dad
Step out
Anything
here.
else besides those two?
and his
And him?
girlfriend.
Okay. Step on out.
Step out here, ma'am.
A search warrant.
It's okay. Step down here to these. Feed them back. Feed them
I
back.
don't have any shoes
That way.
on.
It's okay. Stand right back here.
Sheriff's office.
We're just
search
going to go on the
warrant.
sidewalk, okay?
Please
In
come
the
to the
world
front
would we
door.
have a search warrant?
For a
What?
person.
Oh, what's up, ma'am?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
So somebody just left this in our restroom.
Just left? Or how long has it been?
Maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah. Which, who's the sergeant over there?
Up here?
Yeah, for Santa Rosa. So I sent it over to my district manager. He knows her personally, I think it is.
Our sergeant, we have different sergeants on
I don't
each
know- I don't
shift.
remember her name.
Well, ours is Osman.
Maybe. I'm not sure, but I want to say he sent her a picture. But yeah, they just left that in our restroom like 20 minutes ago.
Was she in here?
Yeah, I think it was two door dashers like picking up an order. And they came in, he picked up the order, was pacing, like I just straight up thought they were high. Like just pacing around. Like and she was in the bathroom for like 10 minutes. I was like, what the f*** are you doing? Well, they leave, like no longer than 20 minutes, because that just swept the lobby.
They were together or just one person?
It was two of them, guy and a girl. So they were together door dashing. She was in the bathroom, left the pen in the bathroom, wrote that out, and I got left in the restroom. But I don't know if it's a scam or what it would be, because if you're actually being held hostage, why are we testing the phone number?
Me and my partner were just talking about this. You know those docuseries that you see on Netflix and stuff, and you're like, people were held captive for years and stuff? That's true.
Oh, yeah.
That happens.
Yeah, that's what I was like, I'm
And
gonna
so
call
we
anyways.
take this very, very seriously. We deal with insane people every day, all day.
Oh, yeah.
But you have to weigh
Yeah. I was
this, like, we definitely follow up with it. Could you meet me here at Jersey Mike's? This is a pretty detailed letter that you should take a look at.
Like, he was just pacing back and forth right here while she was in the bathroom. She was in the bathroom for like 20 minutes. She just looked nervous, shaking, like the whole thing. Like, I was like, oh, they're just high. Like, they're just door dashing to get some,
Right.
whatever.
We get burnt out. Read this. It's a 20-minute time lapse.
I'd say about 25 by this point.
25-minute time lapse. They came in here.
I have a picture of it. Let me see.
Woman left that in the bathroom. There's
Let me check this
two
real
door
quick.
dashers. She was a door dasher
Let's try and narrow
with a
down
guy
this
in
time
here.
frame.
Had enough time to go to the bathroom and write that out and leave it in the bathroom. They're trying to pull the cameras up now.
See what the car they were in.
But this could be legit. Because I don't think somebody would write that and give their phone number, tell them to call them and text them, if that was BS. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, 100%. So
Yeah.
I pulled history from 2024. Same deal. They arrested poor Thandor. They arrested him for bad DV.
Yeah.
She called 2 days later, dropped the charges. He's got a protection order against stalking against the rest of her family. like everybody in the family, brother, the 2 minor children.
Oh, Jesus.
I mean, he's a piece of work.
This is what she looks like. She has blue hair.
She has blue hair?
Yeah.
But that
They
guy
walk
looks
in
like
together. They leave together. She beelines it to the bathroom. Right here. She has blue hair. She's small framed. Then he stays here. She goes back there. Then they walk out together. See? So she has been held hostage by him
In
before?
the past,
When y'all
but
were...
then her dumb ass went back to him.
Uh-huh.
He beat the shit out of her somewhere down in Navarre.
Yeah.
I took her in. She went back to him. Then one day, back February of last year, February, March, she just up and left the state. I ain't heard from her since.
Okay. Well, yeah, she's obviously back here in Navarre.
I was hoping her ass would take him.
Do you think he could have her hostage again? Well, if he's had her hostage in the past?
Do I think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a piece of shit lowlife that threatened my f***ing kids. He's threatened to come up here and orphan all of my kids, threatened to come in here and do... Man, this dude ain't right. He beats women, spits in their mouth. Like, when she got away the last time, she told me how he had her tied up in the bed and was spit in her mouth and on her.
Okay. Rochelle, we're looking for Rach. Rochelle?
Sheriff's office search warrant. Let me see your hands. Come to me.
My husband,
Come to me.
my dad,
Anyone else? Come to me.
his girlfriend.
Okay, that's who now. Come on
Hey,
now.
hon.
What's your name, man? Come on now, please, man.
Come here, Rochelle. This is her.
Who else have you got left in here?
So right here. Take her
What's your husband's name, man?
away from them.
Sheriff's office search warrant. Come down now.
Where's the girl at? By the road?
Yeah, she's on the far side.
Okay, is there any way? Hey, Steven, can you bring him up here so I can read all the people the search warrant, please?
What's going on?
Alright. This, you can just lean up against this. I gotta read y'all this, okay? In the Circuit Court of the First Judicial Circuit of Florida for Santa Rosa County, search warrant in the name of the state of Florida to the Sheriff of Santa Rosa County, Florida, and his lawful deputies.
I'm sorry, man. I really, really am. You can just have a seat. Please keep your hands where you can see them. This is not day. We don't want to
Hey,
trust you. It's just one of
just
these
follow
things. Where
sergeants.
Didn't say anything at all about it. Unfortunately, we got this information, and I'm sure he explained it to you.
I'm gonna go interview her, then I'll come right back.
Okay.
Hey, Rochelle, is that how you say your name?
Yeah.
I got your letter.
Thank you.
What's going on? Now, honesty goes a long way with me, okay?
I know.
So, I got a call to Jersey Mike's
Yes.
about your letter. I have your letter in here,
Thank you.
okay? This is the search warrant's for your safety,
Yes, sir.
okay? I am concerned, and we are all concerned, and I had a judge look it over and sign a search warrant to get you here out of harm's way. I need you to be honest with me, okay? What is going on?
So, me and Jordan, we've been together for about 2 years.
Mhm.
I came back whenever we separated after the last time because he kept threatening he was going to go after my kids and their dad again.
Mhm.
And I hoped that I could come and smooth everything over.
That's right?
Yes.
Okay.
And whenever I came back, he had agreed we were going to talk. Well, whenever that happened, nothing went as planned, and then he wouldn't let me go. For the past 6 months, I've been trying to leave and get out of his house.
Mhm.
And every time that I tell him, I'm leaving, you need to let me go, and everything, he won't let me go. I get my ass beat. I get slammed to the ground. My face has been beat up. I have medical equipment in my head that he's bashed over and over again. And
I spoke to your mother about your medical history, and
Yes,
you
and
also have a tumor.
I've told him I needed medical attention.
Do you need to be checked out now, or no? Do you want to just
the
do it just to
only
roll
thing-
out?
The only thing that I have right now is my hand is still healing up because he fractured something in my arm.
How about you let them look you over real quick?
But I've been trying to leave and he beats my ass. And his dad, I've asked to help get me out of the house, and his dad just lets him sit there and beat my ass and keeps me in the room. I They won't let me out of here. I literally marched, and I remember it. It's March 18th because I took pictures of it. His parents were out of town, so I snuck out the back door. I hopped the fence. I ran down this back road. I got halfway down this road, and he comes flying down the road in my car. Jordan. I'm sorry. He flies down that back road in my car. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. And I got halfway to Tom Thumb. He almost runs me over, beats my ass, and forces me in the car. And I told him, just let me go. I don't care. Just keep my fucking car.
Has he ever kidnapped you?
That's pretty much kidnapping somebody. When you force somebody in a car that's telling you to let them go,
and you're trying to get away?
Car, and I'm trying to get away. Yes, I've told him I don't want to be with you. I don't want on this property. Nobody.
And every time
me.
you try to leave, he snatches you up and you can't get out.
No, I can't.
Okay.
And
Well,
I've snuck pictures here and there of my face beat up. Like,
okay.
That's.
We'll work it out.
I'll grab it all, Dalton. I'll take care of it.
Is he coming out with you?
I'll get it.
What was the last incident of alleged abuse?
I haven't got that far.
Okay. All right.
She's scared. She's shaking. She said every time she tries to leave in her car that he grabs her, beats her ass in front of his parents here at the house.
Hi.
Can I talk to her real quick?
Absolutely.
Is she messed up? Banged up?
She probably has a fracture here, just by moving her arm and everywhere. And she has a shunt in her head because she's had brain tumors. It comes down, and the shunt is not laying. This part is not laying like it's supposed to, and it hasn't been tweaked. Every 6 months, it's supposed to be tweaked, pressure-wise.
All right. Ma'am,
32.
I'm gonna when I get this stuff and get this all taken care of, you're gonna go to the hospital, okay? I'm gonna call your mom. Your mom's willing to come get you. All right? He's gonna be going to jail for some big charges, okay? Last allegation of this was last Friday. He strangled her. Where she couldn't breathe. They were arguing over. He was arguing with his buddies over wrestling moves or some wrestling, and grabbed her by the throat where she couldn't breathe, slammed her down on the ground. She has pictures of her face swelled up like a damn cantaloupe, bruises around her neck. Okay. Are you cool if we go through it and pull the pictures off of you that are injured? I don't care what else is on here. I don't give a damn. I just care about you, okay? I'm gonna have a victim advocate come out here and be with you, okay? And she's gonna follow you to the hospital. All right? All right, Jordan. What's up, man? Now I can finally talk to you, okay? Done a lot of talking tonight. All right. I'm gonna read you the card, just like everybody else, okay? I gotta read you this before I ask you any incriminating questions, all right? Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer out here to speak to an attorney?
No.
Okay. Was these rights in mind? Do you wish to talk to me?
Yeah, I'd like to know what's going on.
Okay. So she's alleging some serious allegations about you beating her, holding her captive, controlling her movements, beating her, injuring her, using her. So, how is y'all's relationship?
Up and down rocky. She's got a lot of medical problems on top of like mental health issues, like medications that are expired that she doesn't have anymore. Definitely bipolar. Like my parents, like when she's.
How did she get those injuries on her?
What injuries are you talking about?
The pictures I've seen of her face swelled up, bruises around her throat, black eyes. She has a fractured arm right now. Any idea how that happened? Or who put those on her?
The arm injury came from her getting blacked out drunk and wanting to sit there and trip and fall over everything. To me,
yeah, just hold tight. Okay, what about her face swelling up the size of a cantaloupe, black eyes, being choked, bruising around her throat, anything like that? How'd that happen?
None of that recently's happened. Like as far as like.
Who? Did she do that herself, or did somebody put that on her?
I don't put my hands on my girlfriend, sir.
Okay, I didn't ask that. I asked who put those injuries on her, or did she do those herself?
I don't see that on her face at all, sir. She looks fine.
Okay. So, again, who put those injuries on her, or did she do those herself?
What injuries are you referring to?
The past pictures I've seen on her phone of her head swelled up the size of a watermelon, her eyes almost be damn near swelled shut, the bruising around her neck that she's claimed to be choked by you for.
I have not done any of this.
Who did?
Like, I don't lay hands on.
Okay, who did?
Well, that would be a good question to understand, because
So you have no idea who put those injuries on her?
Not with me. Like,
So you didn't do it?
Injuries on
Okay.
her. No, sir.
Okay, if somebody put those injuries on my girlfriend or my wife, don't you think that I would know who did that? Or they would tell me
I
that?
understand what you're saying.
This is Santa Rosa 255.
I did not put hands on my girlfriend, sir.
All right, brother. Well, you're being arrested. Okay. For kidnapping, false imprisonment, aggravated with a weapon,
With a weapon?
battery strangulation, felony battery, and some others. Okay.
How is she kidnapped?
False imprisonment.
She's free to go like any given time.
Like I said, big dog, I gotta take everybody's statement.
You have witnesses in the house that can provide that.
They did.
Yeah. So there you go. That's proof.
You have no idea what they said.
What do you mean?
Hold tight.
Here earlier, somebody left the shield. I put it on the porch. So let me go put him up. I wasn't expecting anybody to be out here.
Yeah. You said her hand is injured. She might need help carrying stuff.
She told deputies she'd been held against her will and asked for medical help. He was later charged with domestic battery, false imprisonment, assault. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.